Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate product description using AI tool. Then scroll down, here you can find out different AI tools. Popupsmart.com. This one is the platform that lets you generate product description within a single click. Here you can add your product name, you can add product image. For example, let me type custom t-shirt design with your brand logo. Then you can select the tone. So let me select this one, and here you can select description length. You have three options: short, medium, long. Let me select medium, then click on generate product description. Using this tool, within few seconds you can easily generate any of the product description. Here you can see product description is ready to use. So it uses different typography options. Here you can see different bullets and bold text. You can scroll down and here you can simply click on copy button. Then you can use this description anywhere.